Hello friends, in this video we will take task of to-do list. First of all, we take the link from that above CDNJS link from the first use of CSS fonts. In this HTML, it only takes input text data. It is our HTML. For the CSS, it will come from the I will start it from the body tag. We will use a margin display, justify content center, background color, font size, position, top, shadow, and all that in the requirement manner with a list of sets. In this type, it is our CSS. In to-do list, main objective is the writing of JavaScript code. In this, we will start it from the form and input. In a form that you will take the input in with your list. First of all, list is JSON.space local storage. It will be stored in a local storage for our task in many object too. In this form whenever we entered that, it will be submitted. This is an event prevented from that. We will take the input is a term. If it is not an empty, then it runs in terms. In this main task, first of all, we check if the data is entered or not. If data is not entered, then it does not return anything. If the data is entered, then it creates a new element with the element of the DOMs called element created element method. You can also check with a new task. We can also check it is checked or not. We can use a click button check in a list ul.append child list. Then we can add 3 buttons in it: edit, check, dump. These are 3 buttons are useful in the to-do list. Especially first of all, we can do the edit button, then the delete button we can do with the same intention. It is a code for intention of that frame some website link through. It is useful to create a dynamic links. Then after you can click variant by the way remove or add edit by the update function. By the edit function, we can edit after enter the data. In this also, after edit option, after clicking edit option, we can create a new element, create element input text. Then apply an input blusher. This is use arrow function with a save edited task. It is a predefined function with using input value and listed items. In this under input add event listener key up. It is an event when then enter. We press on enter. It blush. It is sense. It is the edit option first, and after enter you can save it or you can remove it. These are used for class edit button and delete button, check button. It can be done or not. It can be stored in a backside of that website in after all the done, we can function called update. In this we can select a query selector all. It is a predefined function in DOM with using of element for each. Every time the element is pushed into that and checked or not, it can checked. It can be stored in local storage by that set item. It is a predefined function that can be converted into JSON format, JSON.string file. Thank you. By the way, we will see the output. This is our final output. We can enter the data. For example, Java. We can enter to-do list is ready. Next Python. Next C. It is our list. We can edit by removing A. By removing A, we can edit. We can mark as complete. Then we can click mark it complete as marked as strikes, and we can delete it. These are final output. Thank you.